If you're seeing that status invalid image hash error on Microsoft Edge, don't panic. It sounds like a deep system failure, but it's usually just a communication breakdown between Edge and your security software. This error happens because of a feature called renderer code integrity. It's designed to stop unsigned code from messing with your page displays, but sometimes it gets overprotective and blocks everything. Here is how we fix it. Starting with the easiest method. First, let's rule out your extensions. Click the three dots in the corner, open a new InPrivate window, and try the site again. If it works here, one of your extensions is the culprit. Just disable them one by one until the error disappears. If that didn't do it, we need to check your antivirus or firewall. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus. If the error vanishes, you just need to update your security software to the latest version. Still stuck? Let's try the command line trick. Right-click your Edge shortcut on the desktop and select Properties. In the target field, go to the very end of the text, add a single space and type -var, disable -a features renderer code integrity. Click Apply and OK. Now launch Edge using that specific shortcut. This forces the browser to ignore the specific check that's causing the crash. It's a great workaround if you're in a rush. If you want a more permanent fix, we should clear the browser cache. Head to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, select Choose What to Clear. Set the time range to all time and hit Clear Now. Next, check for updates. Go to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge. The browser will automatically scan for and install any pending updates. Often, Microsoft releases patches specifically to fix these image hash conflicts. As a last resort, you can reset Edge to its default state. In Settings, click Reset Settings and confirm. This won't delete your favorites or passwords, but it will disable extensions and reset your startup page. One of those steps should have you back online. If you're still seeing the error, it might be a deeper Windows registry issue. But 99% of the time, the target shortcut trick or updating your antivirus does the job. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.